Unlock the lock. Welcome to everybody. Welcome to Elevator Fan 700 outdoor padlock demonstration. Because everybody loves the outdoors. Everybody loves the outdoors. So we're going to do a best padlock demonstration on my front porch. So today I have a best padlock. I believe I've demonstrated this one before, but I want to demonstrate it again. It is a best. I do not know the number, but if you know it, please leave it down in the comments below, because I would love to know the number. So please leave it down in the comments below. And of course we have the keys for my best padlock, and these are for the other ones too, but I know which one they are. This one is from Standard Oil Company of New Jersey, I think. SoCo Standard Oil Company, with a long chain and the core. So I believe this core is, I'm sure this core is not original, as it's not even the same color, and it has a newer font than the font up here. This is an older lock than my other lock. But anyway, let's get going with the demonstration. So let's go ahead and unlock the lock. The locking lever's inside, as you can see here. And let's unlock one more time. Now we will remove the core from the lock, as we hear a golf cart driving by. And inside you have the throw member is inside of the core, inside of the lock, it's not removable. And so yeah, that is the padlock. And that should conclude today's padlock demonstration. So we will zoom in on the best logo here. Alright, that'll be it.